First thing you're gonna do is download the DJI Mimo app. With this app, you're gonna have access to a lot of features that come with the DJI Mobile. And this is what you see once you get in the app. If you want, you can make a profile, and I think you should, because if you're switching phones and stuff, you don't have to register your gimbal every time. After downloading the app, you're gonna attach this clip. It's a magnetic clip that comes with the gimbal. If you check it out, you can see there's a camera here. You need to put this camera the same way your camera is facing. Make sure it doesn't go into the volume button, or else you'll be recording. You can make your gimbal stand by taking this out right here. It's pretty cool. Okay, so the gimbal is supposed to automatically turn on once you unfold it, like this. But just in case it doesn't, you can always click this, turn it off, and turn it on. You also need to make sure that your Bluetooth is on your phone in order to connect. From the app, you can just click on this, and you'll see your gimbal and pair it. As you can see, it's now paired, and there's a camera on the app that you should probably use when you're filming. I'd suggest you use it when you're filming. Now you can attach your phone to the gimbal. Right here, it goes there. Now as you can see, you can basically control it from this. So now I'm going to show you what all the modes do. As you can see, there's a mode button right here. So the first mode, which is the default mode, doesn't stabilize like this, as you can see. But you can move it up, down, left, and right, and it will follow. After clicking the M, you're going to the next mode, which is called PF. And the PF mode will only allow you to go left and right, but it will stabilize side to side and up and down. And this is called FPV mode. It allows you to basically move the camera however you please, while still keeping the, everything stable basically. And the mode after that is called spin shot. It allows you to basically do this really cool spin shot clip, which is really good. And it does stabilize in all directions too. So now let's get into this trigger. If you click this trigger 2 times, you will bring the camera back into the center. If you click the trigger 3 times, the camera will return to you. If you click it 3 times again, it returns right back. If you hold it down, your camera will stay still. If you leave it, as you can see, it's not stabilizing. If you double click this button, you can turn the camera, double click it again, turn it back. If you click this button, it's gonna start recording. This only works on the app, by the way. Click again, and you stop recording. Okay, so now let's get into my favorite feature, which is the camera tracking. You can use your finger to basically select an object, and no matter what, when you move your camera, the camera will continue to track the same object you just selected. If you click the trigger once, you can stop tracking. You can also use this same tracking feature to basically track your own face. I look a mess right now, so I'm not going to show myself. Oh, and this right here helps you zoom in and out. So a lot of these features will only require you to be on the DJI app. You can use it on your phone app or your Blackmagic camera. And that's about it for the video. I tried to make it as easy as possible, and I hope it helped you. If it did, please let me know. If you have other questions that I didn't put into this video, make sure to comment it down and I will answer you as fast as I can. And then thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.